Today we are testing out these guys right here. What's up everybody, welcome back to Krebsbach Racing. Today is another towing test. Today we are testing out these guys right here. This is a vortex generator, and they go on the back of your trailer. Semi-trailers use them on their trucks and the back of their trailer, so we're going to try them out on my gooseneck trailer to see if we can gain any miles per gallon. Alright, we're going to be doing the same test as always. 30-mile run, 15 miles one way, 15 miles back. We have about a 7 or 8 mile wind, kind of kitty corner. It's going with us on the way down, and it'll be a little bit against us on the way back. So this is the test run with no vortex generators on, so we'll see how that goes, and then we'll compare it to width. Alright, we're starting our test, 74 miles an hour for 15 miles, and then a turnaround. Now because the wind is kind of diagonal with me, I can feel the trailer wiggling around just a little bit, and that's another thing, is stability. The vortex generators claim that they're a lot more stable in windy conditions, so it keeps the trailer a little more straight if you get like a crosswind coming in. So just making a mental note of it's moving the truck around just a little bit, but not too bad, and we'll see if that changes when we put the vortex generators on. The wind does feel a little bit gusty too, so it's an 8 mile an hour wind, but it probably gusting 10 to 15, so that's kind of it's probably why I'm feeling the truck move back and forth, is the different wind gusts coming through. Alright, we're at the turnaround spot, and we are getting 10.7 miles per gallon. Alright, we hit our mile marker, and on the way back we got 10.6 miles per gallon for a total of 10.7. So basically the same both ways. The wind is kind of perpendicular to me the whole way. We're going northwest and southeast, and the wind is kind of from the southwest. Alright, we got the trailer inside. These air tabs actually just stick on, so you need to be somewhat warmer. It's about 20 degrees outside. So I talked to my guy Mike Lewin at Professional Awesome Racing. He knows a little bit more about this aerodynamic voodoo than I do. So he told me I should put these right about 3 to 6 inches off the back of the trailer. So they're just going to go just like this all the way along the trailer, 4 inches on center. So we just need to glue these on. We'll get a tape mark on here, get a straight line, and get these on the trailer.
First things first, we need to clean the trailer, get all that dirt and grime off of there, so I just used some glass cleaner and a microfiber towel. Next up, I had some acetone. It was the only thing I had to remove any kind of grease in the garage. Make sure you use it very sparingly, it can actually eat your paint. So I got the trailer all cleaned, measured over my 3 inches, and started my tape mark. It just so happened it was 3/4 of an inch over from the chrome piece, so it was easy to tape off. I got my first air tab placed on the top, and then used the supplied tool to measure my 4 inches on center to the next one. I basically just guessed after this. You can use your thumb or just look at it and kind of guess 3/4 of an inch in between each one. After finishing this side, I worked my way up onto the roof, did the same procedure, and got onto the other side and finished up. Now that they're all on, let's go out for the second part of the test.
Alright, according to weather.com, the wind went down maybe 1 or 2 miles an hour, so it might affect it just a little bit, but not much. So we'll work on our second route here with the new air tabs on. Alright, we hit our mark, 74 miles an hour again. Alright, we are at the turnaround, and we are getting, it was just 10.7, but 10.6 going up this little on-ramp. So about exactly the same. So I looked again at the wind on weather.com, and the wind switched directions just a little bit. It was southwest and now it's south, which will hurt us a little more on the way down and will help us a little more on the way back. So the mileage is going up just a little bit on the way back. As far as the stability goes, I can still feel the gusts on the trailer, and it still moves the truck around a little bit. Negligible, if anything. I can't really tell a difference, even though the wind did switch a little bit, so maybe that's the difference that I do feel. So nothing really to comment on that. I don't feel like it's done anything to the stability of the trailer. Alright, that is the end of the trip. We finished with 11.3 miles per gallon total. So the results ended up being 10.7 for no modifications to the trailer, and 11.3 with the new air tabs. Is that much of a difference? Not really. I'm not really sure what to think of it. The wind changed by about 45 degrees and dropped a few miles per hour. That's the same as me driving 74 versus 72. Could that be skewing the results a little bit? Absolutely. We were only 0.6 miles per gallon better with the new air tabs. It didn't seem any more stable to me that I could notice. It took me about an hour to install those. I tried to get out as soon as I could to keep the weather conditions the same. but they just changed on me too quickly here in North Dakota, and the wind switched, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be better or worse. Well, only time will tell. We'll try to get some more tests in. I can't do a before and after anymore because those basically stick on the trailer. If I were to take those off, I wouldn't be able to put them back on. I'd have to buy a whole new set of 80 of them. Not really what I was looking for. I was hoping for a little bit better miles per gallon, but let me know what you guys think in the comments.
I did a quick cost analysis. These air tabs cost $300 and have an estimated fuel savings of 4%. That should get my miles per gallon from 11 to 11.44. It would take me over 20,000 miles to break even on these.